Ever wondered how deep customer understanding can be achieved through data analysis? It's a challenge that every business grapples with. But today, let's delve into the world of Julia, an analytics specialist at a media company, and see how she navigates this challenge. Julia's primary responsibility is deciphering user behavior on the company's website. She's always on a quest to spot changes in user behavior across different demographics. But how does she do it? The answer is Prodify. Prodify is her go-to tool for this task. It provides her with a role-based dashboard that highlights key user behavior metrics, such as time spent on the website and page views. But Prodify offers more than just numbers. It allows Julia to combine this data with user feedback, creating a comprehensive picture of her audience's behavior. Picture this. Julia is scouring through website analytics data and then seamlessly transitions to user feedback obtained through Prodify's intuitive search functionality across integrated tools. This combined analysis helps Julia identify correlations between changes in user behavior and specific feedback, driving actionable insights for website optimization. In essence, Prodify is transforming the way businesses understand their customers. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about making those numbers talk. It's about finding patterns, identifying trends, and using these insights to optimize user experience. To sum up, Prodify is a game changer. It takes the guesswork out of understanding customer behavior, providing a clear, data-driven pathway to improving user experience. With Prodify, businesses like Julia's can delve deeper into their customers' behaviors, preferences, and feedback, leading to more informed decisions and ultimately better business outcomes. So, if you're seeking a solution to decipher your customers' behavior, remember Julia's story. Remember Prodify, the tool that empowers you to turn data into actionable insights.